Meningococcal infections. Introduction. Do meningococcal infections only affect the brain and spinal cord tissue? Select yes or no. Correct. Meningococcal infections can affect different parts of the body. Joan woke up this morning with a high fever. Her neck is sore and stiff and she has a headache that is not going away. Should she contact a healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Joan's symptoms may be caused by meningococcal meningitis. She should contact a healthcare provider right away. Can you get a meningococcal infection by breathing in the air where an infected person has been? Select yes or no. Correct. The bacteria can spread through contact with infected mucus and saliva. Antibiotics are a common treatment for meningococcal infections. Select true or false. Correct. It is important to start treatment as soon as possible. Does the vaccine prevent all cases of meningococcal infection? Select yes or no. Correct. The vaccine protects against most but not all types of meningococcus bacteria. Thank you for using Explain.